You open an email, read it once then again, and still have no idea what the person actually wants. So you reread it again, trying to piece together the meaning. Now multiply that by 20 emails a day. That's where your time is really going, not replying, but decoding. Most people think the problem is bad writing. It's not. The real problem is how much time you spend decoding unclear messages before you even reply. That hidden effort slows your entire workflow more than the actual work itself. You're mentally rewriting the email, extracting key points, and guessing the action needed. This invisible work drains your focus, reduces clarity, and creates constant friction throughout your day. That's why your inbox feels exhausting, not just full. And the worst part? You don't even realize how much time this is costing you every single day. Over time, this adds up to hours lost just trying to interpret unclear communication. Here's the shift. You don't need to understand better. You need a system that translates messy emails into clear ones instantly, without rereading or second-guessing. No rereading, no guessing, just clarity on demand. I call this the AI Clarity Rewrite System. Instead of decoding emails manually, you convert them into structured, actionable messages in seconds. You move from confusion to clarity without effort. Here's how it works. Step 1. Copy the messy email exactly as it is. Don't fix grammar or structure. The goal is to remove manual effort completely. Step 2. Paste it into AI and give this instruction. Rewrite this email clearly with key points and action items. This sets a clear outcome. Step 3. Add one constraint. Keep it concise and professional. This ensures the output is usable immediately in real communication. Quick pause. This is where most people overcomplicate things. They try to over-engineer prompts or add too many rules. You don't need a perfect prompt. You just need a clear instruction. Simplicity works better here. Step 4. Generate the output. Step 5. Use the clean version to understand instantly or reply faster without rereading the original message. Let me show you what this looks like. Before. Hey, just circling back on that thing we talked about last week. Not sure if you had time, but we might need it soon. After. Following up on last week's discussion, could you share an update on the status? We may need this soon. Same message, completely different clarity. One is confusing, the other is actionable. Now imagine doing this for every confusing email in your inbox. Every unclear message becomes instantly usable. What used to take 5 to 10 minutes now takes under 30 seconds. That's not just faster, it's a completely different workflow. That's hours saved every week, without changing how many emails you receive. You process emails faster, reply quicker, and stop draining mental energy on low-value work that shouldn't require effort. Because you're not stuck decoding anymore, you're just acting on clear information. That's the real leverage. Once you start using this, you'll notice how much unnecessary effort you were putting into emails before, and you'll wonder why you ever did this manually. If email overload slows you down daily, check the description for more.